In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Now you need to scroll all the way down to select App Lock at the bottom. Hit Got It. Tap on gray switcher next to App Lock feature and then set up your privacy password you will use to unlock your apps. In order to do that, select Settings in the pop-up. Then tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those login methods for your apps. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern, or alphanumeric. Now you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then set up your recovery email just in case you will forget your password. And tap on question here to tap on this security question and pick the best one for you, or hit custom question and create your own. Remember to answer correctly below and hit done. Now you can finally use gray switchers next to your apps in order to lock them. Then go back. So now when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that my privacy password is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, hit app lock, enter your privacy password and use blue switchers next to your apps. To disable app lock completely on your device, use blue switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!